Yeah, just start or 5, 6, 7, 8, mustard on me.
Good morning. We'll take a nay-nay. Risky. I do, but it's so late right now. We're fine. She said 9. It's 8:45. How far is it? 30 minutes away. Okay, fine. Yeah. I can bring you a little thing of almond butter. Yeah. Almond butter always. This is from Costco. The best ever. What? We're on our way to have coffee with our friend Lexi. So excited to meet up with her. We're going to this very cute coffee shop in Phoenix. What's it called again? Satellite Coffee? It's 40 minutes. Well, with traffic, of course, but once again, you'll make it what, 20?
Yes. We need to put it on the Waze though.
Yes. If you like to get places fast, definitely download Waze because they will show you where cops are. Shout out to Vic because I know he's gonna hound on me for putting me on that. He did. Thanks, Vic. Also, just a little update so you know what's going on. Today's Friday, so we don't have class today. Fridays we usually just use as our free days. So either we'll go to yoga in the morning, or if we have a bunch of homework, we will do our homework. We're gonna grocery shop, and then go to my mom's, and then have a party, and watch Love is Blind. And we also have The Trunk to watch, our next K-drama that we're watching.
You have to finish that.
Tell them about what happened last night, because she slept over.
Oh, okay. So this is a common thing with Grace, so it wasn't a big surprise to me. But she tends to laugh in her sleep. Since we had our first sleepover as friends, she was sitting up, sleeping, and pointing, and laughing, and talking, and smiling, and she always creeped me out while she slept. But last night, I feel her hand like hit me, so it kind of like wakes me up, and I look, and she's like playing the drums while sleeping. So I look at her, I go, Grace, and I like go like this. I'm like, Grace, you're playing. And I go, Grace, you're playing again. And she was like, what the heck's happening right now?
And also I laugh in my sleep, apparently.
Yes. She laughed so hard that she's moving like this. She's like, I'm like, Grace, you're laughing. You're like, huh? And she tickles my arm in her sleep too. She'll be like giving me a whole like
Massage.
Yeah, while she's sleeping.
That's so funny. But yeah, we were dying laughing this morning, so wanted to tell you that. So we're here with Lexi. We're just catching up, talking about God. And Lexi has a podcast coming out with herself. So if you wanna,
it's called Red Lips and Redemption, and Cassella and I are talking about how God redeemed us and why you should have a relationship with Him and why He's so great.
yes, so they're premiering on February 28th. Yes, I will link that in the bio so that everybody can go watch it. But yeah, and then we're also starting a podcast, so maybe we can collab
Yes,
in the future. Yes.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
What should we get? This is like a game.
Hello my friends, we are now back in the kitchen. I'm at my mom's, so we get to cook tonight. We are making chicken Caesar salad. This is one of my favorite dinners to make. I usually make these whenever I need to cut down on the carbs, and I really love salads. So right now I'm making these homemade croutons because honestly I was looking at all the croutons to buy at the store and they just all have a bunch of like crap in it. They have a bunch of preservatives and just stuff you don't need. So I was like, you know what, just let me get some sourdough and I can make my own croutons. And so this is what I'm doing here. I had to use coconut oil as the grease because I don't have olive oil right now, and so they turned out a little bit sweet. So I would definitely recommend using any virgin olive oil for the best tasting croutons. Now we're over here making the chicken. Don't comment with a non-stick pan. I know, girl, but we just got to get some stainless pans for my mom. But this is the best seasoning ever. It's no salt, it's lemon pepper. It is absolutely incredible. And then I'm also putting that seasoning on the croutons. This made them taste so incredible and so flavorful. I would add a little bit of Parmesan over it if you're going to do that as well. Next, I'm going to be cutting up the kale and the lettuce. Usually I would just make it with either kale or iceberg lettuce, but today I decided to mix it and honestly it was not my fave. So I just feel like they're both two different types of lettuce and they don't exactly go together, you know what I mean? But anyways, if you can hear in my voice right now that I'm like so congested and nasally, it's because your girl is so sick. I tried to film this past week, it just did not go to plan. I am really battling it over here, so pray for me because I need to get better. This next week we are going on a trip to Reno with my fiance and Carmela, so that will be a lot of fun. I can't wait to show you the video for that. But back to the cooking now. As you will see, I'm pouring sesame oil over the kale because you do have to massage any kale whenever you're going to eat it raw, because if not it will be really crunchy and just bitter. And I made the mistake of doing sesame oil. Like I said, I didn't have olive oil and nobody said anything when we were eating it, but I know everybody tasted that because it tasted like sesame and I love sesame, but it was just not the vibe with the Caesar, you know? But here's the usual sight, me just cooking it up and Carmi watching me, giving me that mental support. Good job!
Yeah, that was actually good!
Wait, now let's all do it. Come here.
6, 7, 8.
Oh my gosh, that was so funny. My mom is so cute. But now I'm cutting the chicken up and Carmela is grating the Parmesan, and this was the best, most fluffiest, greatest Parmesan cheese ever. We were literally just eating it plain. And Vic came over after work to have dinner. I just love him so much. He's so sweet. Look at him, how cute he is. Oh my gosh. And here's the grand finale of the salad. It was so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have a great day or night, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, love.